Welcome to another how-to video for SIPROTEC Tools software. In this video, you will learn how to test the wiring with SIPROTEC Tools. To check the right cabling from the cubicle terminal to the device terminal, so far most of the time a continuity tester is used, where both the relay terminal and the cubicle terminal are contacted and tested. It is tested if they are connected via the cubicle wiring. This is a rather manual procedure and is time-consuming because both terminals must be identified. Moreover, this terminal search can lead to errors. With SIPROTEC Tools, you can now see the reaction of the relay on the PC screen. First, we click on Hardware and Wiring Test. On the left-hand side, the pickup threshold for the tested binary input can be defined. In the middle part we see which binary input has been selected, which is indicated by a check mark. So, only the corresponding cubicle terminals need to be set under voltage and the result can be directly read on the PC display. No troublesome searching of the right relay terminals is necessary. On the right-hand side, we can close individually every relay contact either permanently or as long as the mouse clicks on it. Again, only the proper cubicle terminals according to the wiring plan need to be checked with a continuity tester to see if the closed relay contact short-circuits these terminals correctly. But there is more. Also, injected currents and voltages are shown with amplitude and angle, or as phasors in a vector diagram. Injecting, for example, a three-phase current or voltage system with different amplitudes identifies if the currents are assigned properly to the correct phases, and the vector diagram reveals any polarity issue immediately. SIPROTEC Tools can be started multiple times and connected each time to another SIPROTEC 5 device in the cubicle when the Ethernet port of the devices is used. In this way, also cross-wiring from one device to another can be tested easily. Simply close the contact of the first relay using the output section of the screen on the right-hand side, and in no time, you can see if the correct binary input on the screen of the second device is shown as picked up. No need to go the exhausting way and search the correct terminals for the contact of device number 1 and bridge it or put voltage on it to see the reaction on device number 2. Summing up, the SIPROTEC 5 Tools program helps speed up cubicle wiring testing tremendously, as we saw with the previous examples. Moreover, the test quality is increased because the test procedures are less prone to mistakes.